Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Volkswagen Golf 4 1.4 petrol. The engine mount is located just there underneath this air intake pipe and the hydraulic tank. We start by removing the screws that hold the air intake pipe and then move the pipe to the side. Next, we're going to put the jack underneath the engine to hold it in place while we remove the bolts for the engine mount. Before we start removing the bolts for the engine mount, we need to clear up some space just over the engine mount. So we need to remove the bolts for this hydraulic tank and the coolant tank as well. We're not gonna disconnect any hoses on the hydraulic tank or the coolant tank. We're just gonna move them to the side in order to have access to the engine mount. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now I'm going to show you where the bolts of the engine mount are. There's like 5 or 6 bolts that we need to remove. So now we start removing the bolts. Okay, now that we've removed all the bolts, we can take out the engine mount. And now we can put on the new engine mount. When we put on the engine mount, we're gonna put on the bolts that hold the engine mount and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. After tightening all the bolts on the engine mount, we can remove the jack that holds the engine, and then we assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.